Hi guys, welcome back to Konjam Kapi Romba Happy. Today we are putting together a comforting lunch plate with 3 South Indian rice varieties and spicy potato fry. Simple, aromatic and so satisfying. First, lemon rice. In a hot pan, add sesame oil. Once warm, add tadka of mustard seeds, split urad, peanut and cashews. Now add finely chopped ginger, green chili, red chili, curry leaves, a pinch of turmeric, asafoetida and salt. Fry everything until it turns in golden and aromatic. Now add 1 bowl of cooked rice. Make sure it's separate and not sticky. Switch off the stove and add fresh lemon juice. Garnish with finely chopped coriander. Give a gentle mix. That's it. Zesty lemon rice is ready. Next, coconut rice. Heat ghee and coconut oil in a kadai. Add same tadka as before. Mustard, urad dal, curry leaves, ginger, green chili and red chili. No turmeric here. Add grated fresh coconut and just lightly roast it. A pinch of sugar helps to retain moisture in the coconut. Add a little salt, mix well. Now add 1 bowl of fluffy cooked rice. Again separate grains like biryani style rice. Mix gently, garnish with coriander leaves. Delicate flavorful coconut rice is ready. Now potato fry. In a frying pan, add sesame oil and tadka with mustard seeds and urad dal. Add 1 bowl of roughly chopped potato cubes and curry leaves. Sprinkle turmeric and salt. Give a mix. Now add 20 ml of water. You have to just sprinkle it the water. Cover the lid and cook on low to medium flame for 5 minutes. Open, check in between to avoid burning. Once 90% cooked, add Kashmiri chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida and salt if needed. Give in a mix, cover again and roast until a crispy, perfectly spiced potato fry is ready. Finally, curd rice. In a pan, in sesame oil, a tadka with mustard, urad dal, finely chopped green and red chili, ginger, curry leaves. No cashew, no turmeric is here. Add smashed cooked rice, a small cube of butter, salt, curd and a splash of milk. Mix well until it turns smoothie and creamy. Garnish with coriander, soothing and curd rice is ready. Here is the final plate. Lemon rice, coconut rice, curd rice, potato fry. All set are served. Thank you for watching Konjam Kapi Romba Happy. Please remember to like, share and subscribe for more homestyle recipes.